Hello and welcome to the tutorial on Power BI by State Modeler. In this video we are going to see how can we download and install Power BI desktop application, which is available for free by Microsoft Incorporation. So we need to go to the google.com and there we need to search Power BI desktop. And you'll get this first link, powerbi.microsoft.com. So you have to open this link and here it is mentioned download free. Just click on that. So here you can select the language. So by default it is English. You can change the language if you want. So let me select English. And then you can check out the details in the system requirement and install instructions. So if you click on the details, then which version it is, what is the publish date, what is the file size that is mentioned over there, and some standard instructions or the details are given, what you can do with the Power BI desktop. So that is given there. You can also check the system requirement. So accordingly you can download your version. So it is available for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2008 R2, Windows Server 2012, Windows 7 2012 R2. And Microsoft Power BI desktop requires Internet Explorer 10 or greater. So if you are using Mozilla or Google Chrome, then it will be okay. Power BI desktop is available for 32 bits and 64 bits. How can we check whether my system is of 32 bits or the 64 bits? So we need to go to the desktop. There is a My Computer icon. Just right click on that and click on the properties. So here it is available. So my system is of 64-bit operating system. So I'll be choosing 64-bit of version. So let me go to the website. And here some standard instructions are given. So download the version of Power BI desktop that matches the architecture, that is either 32 bits or 64 bits of your Windows OS, and run the MSI installer and follow the steps that it is showing. So let us download that. So I'll be downloading this x64. So that we have to select from here. So I can click on the download and then here it is asking for the version. So I'll be selecting 64-bit. So let me select that, and the total size is of 289.1 megabyte. So let me click next. So here it is downloading. I'm pausing the video. Okay, so it has been downloaded. Now let us click on that. And it will ask to run this file. So let me click on the run. Yes, there it is. So here also you can change your language. So let me use English and then keep on the next. Make sure that you are running it as an administration. So when you click on the next, it may ask for the permission. At that time we have to give the permission and just wait to get it installed. So it is preparing to install. Then I'll be clicking on next to start the installation process. Here standard agreement is there from the Microsoft. So you can read it out, or you can just simply click on the I accept the terms of the license agreement and then click on the next. It is asking for the path where it will be installed. So it is in the C drive by default. If you want to change, then you can click on the change and give the path where you want your Power BI to install. But let me keep it by default and let me click on the next. I want to create a desktop shortcut, so let it be checked and then click on install. The installation process has been started. It may take some time, so let me pause the video again. It has been installed successfully, so I can click on the finish and it will launch the Microsoft Power BI desktop. So let me click on the finish. So it is getting started. So first time after installation it may take some time because it is a heavy application which is having inbuilt so many algorithm and the models. After that it will work smoothly. Yes. So it has opened. If you are having account in the Power BI, then you can sign in. Otherwise you can just close this. You can also have a look at what's new in the version. You can also have the access to Power BI blogs where some news and the resources are shared by the community. You can also go for the tutorials for the Power BI. So let me close this window. Not necessary to import data from here itself. Yes, so this is the view, and this is successfully you have installed Power BI, and you can see it is working properly. So that's it. This is how you can install Power BI desktop. It is freely available for individual users. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to get this kind of informative videos.